Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite Cat Club channel Quantifiers. So this is yet another set in our daily DILR series. So before we move to the set, obviously this is the description of the courses that we provide. Please go through them and enroll. You can enroll with the link in the description. Our new batch is going to start super soon. Okay. So since in our daily series, as I always say, we have covered a lot of sets, and this is our third set in a series. Okay. Let's read it out. If you have not attempted it, kindly pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so what does this set say? There are three children, Rekha, Shankar and Mukesh. They are playing the game of tic-tac-toe on a 3x3 grid. Each game was played by all the three children with the rules slightly modified from the usual as described below. So they three are playing a game of tic-tac-toe and the rules are somewhat like this. Each person has his or her own symbol referred to as his or her mark, and in every turn he/she places the same mark on the grid. Okay, so let's say if my symbol is X, my mark is X, so I will mark X wherever I have to mark. Okay. The columns are labeled A to C from left to right. So columns are A, B, C from left to right. Okay. And rows are numbered 1 to 3 from top to bottom. So rows are 1, 2, 3 from top to bottom. And how will the metric position be named? First, this will be named as B2. This will be named as C3. This will be named as A3 and so on. In every subsequent turn, each person has to place his or her mark in an empty square which is not in the same row column of that mark that was immediately beforeward, not in any diagonal position. Okay, very interesting. So if first person has given a mark here, then where can second person give a mark? Not here, not here, not here, and not here. Not in any diagonal position related to it, not in the same direction. Okay. Similarly, let's say if a person has given a mark in the corner, then the person cannot leave a mark here, not here, not here. So these will be the two slots left for him. Okay. If the person first gets his three marks in the straight line, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally in the grid in this manner, will be a winner. Okay, so the game will end. So if obviously like a common tic-tac-toe, if a person is somewhat able to achieve something like this, or this, he will be declared as a winner. So he has to mark three things straight or diagonal. A fresh grid is drawn in the game. So there are three people, Rekha, Shankar and Mukesh. Rekha has X, Shankar has O and Mukesh has I. And it is known that the first person did not place his or her mark in B2. So यहाँ से शुरू नहीं होगी game. You cannot leave here. You cannot put it in center. So let's try to see what it is. Here given Rekha is Shankar is O and Mukesh is I. So this is given to us. Rekha is X, Shankar is O and Mukesh is I. Okay. So now there can be multiple possibilities when we are drawing the cases or anything. Like the first question says that if there are 34 games, how many games end in a tie? So let me take some common things. Okay. Now I have taken two matrices with me. If required, I will take more cases. Let's see. Now I have to see that how many games end in a draw. Okay, out of 34. So let us assume that this is the order in which they play because it will not matter. Okay. Okay. Now a person cannot leave a mark here on B2. He cannot. The matrix is this A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So this is the matrix. Now simply think it like this. Can I say कि if a person cannot mark on B2, then what is the possibility that he is he's starting from a corner, from a corner square? This is one possibility, whether it is this corner or this corner or this corner or this corner. But person has to either start from a corner square or he can start with not a corner square. So these are the two possibilities. Can I say since the diagram is symmetric, it is a 3 into 3 matrix. अगर मैं इसको उल्टा कर दूंगा तो it will not matter कि ये वाला x corner में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. If I rotate it like this, तो आपका जो यही x होगा वो यहाँ आ जाएगा. ठीक है. अगर और रोटेट करूंगा तो मतलब चलो जो भी है, what I mean to say is the figure is symmetric. I don't need to take two different cases for the corner matrix. Okay. Similarly, I don't need to take two separate cases for this corner. So let's first take this case. First of all, x has taken a turn and he has placed a mark here. And what about O? Cannot leave here. Cannot leave here. Cannot leave here. So there are two places left. This or this. Okay. Again, if I carefully see, straight one right, straight one. So it is again symmetric. These are not the two cases, but this is only one case. So wherever I take, it will hardly matter. Okay, I'll also verify it later. I could have taken it here as of now. Now, if I'm always taking here, then this is cross, and the diagonal positions are also cross. So the only place left for I is this one. I is here. Now I is here. So this is occupied, and this is occupied. So X has to come here only. Now this is occupied, this is occupied, this is occupied. So O has to come here only. Now, since O is here, this is occupied, this is occupied. Therefore, I will come here only. And now at X turn, X will win because it cannot obviously come here, so X will win by putting it here. Okay. So when the person is starting from the corner, he is winning. So let's just think कि यार अगर जो मैंने आपको बताया कि यहाँ mark करेगा तो क्या होगा? What if a person gives a mark here? As I told you, it is symmetric. Let me just prove it. So if X is here, he cannot mark here, he cannot mark here, he cannot mark here. So let's say he is put here. O cannot. So I have to put here. Okay. Now I is here, so cannot. Then X has to come here. So X is here, so O cannot. So O has to come here. Now O is here, cannot. I has to come here only. Therefore, X will again come here and win. So as I told you, this figure is symmetric. It will not matter where I place. If I am placing it in corner, the result will be the person when starts and put a mark on corner will win. Put a mark on corner square will win. Let's talk about case 2 now. In case 2, a person is living starting from here. Let's say these are the terminals. So this is the first, this is the first. A person cannot mark anywhere here. So it can either mark here or here. Again, the figure is symmetric like in this case. So I'll just take any of the case. Let us take the person has given a mark here. So if a person has given a mark here, not here. So I will come here. Now I is here, so not here, and not here. Now X will come here. Nowhere else to go. Okay. Now O's turn. So X is here, so O cannot come here, cannot come here. So O will come here. Since O is here, I cannot come here, cannot come here. So I will come here. Now I is here, so X cannot come here, cannot come here. X can come here only. Now O has to come at this place and O will win in second case. Which means that in second case, person who is starting will not win. If he is putting a mark on this B1 or C2 or B3 or A2. So if a person is leaving a mark on these squares, he is not going to win. Okay, so these are the first things. These are the things that we have observed as of now. Okay. So we have understood the crux of it. Let's move to the question and let's see what the questions are asking. So the first question is telling me if there were 34 games played, how many games ended in a draw? I know a person can start from here or here, i.e. it will result in all the cases, so there will be 0 draws. कोई भी मैच ड्रॉ नहीं होगा. Second, if in one of the games, Rekha, who was the first person to play, ended up winning the game. So if Rekha ended up winning the game, she must have put it on some corner. Then which of the following could represent the grid immediately after she plays her first mark? So immediately after she plays her first mark, this can be the figure because she has to play it in the place in the corner. It cannot win here, she cannot win here. This is the answer. If I, O, and X are the first three marks to be placed in the order, who among the following should be game? I know even the first person will game. Either the first person will win or the second person will win. So either I or O can win. X cannot win. So X belongs to Rekha. So Rekha cannot win. Last. If Mukesh, Shankar and Rekha played a game taking turn by turn. So Mukesh is I, Shankar is O, Rekha is X. They played in game taking turn by turn. Mukesh did not win. Yani I did not win. So if I did not win, I must be in the not in the corner. So this is out. So it can either be this or this. Which of the following would represent the grade after Rekha left her first mark? See, this is not possible. Why? Because after I agree that this is a place for O. So if O has placed here, then X cannot place here. X has to be here. Okay. Or in this case, X has to be here. Which means that second case is not possible. The answer is A. So this is the required set. So a very good set in the terms of understanding how we will move around, and a very good condition based set because people often don't consider the symmetric conditions. Once it is understood, the set was really very easy to go ahead. Okay, so with this, we will finish our session. And if you wish to be the part of this league, join us as soon as possible, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.